The purpose of this video is to teach you how to calculate probability in general. Probability has a certain notation. We write P of an event occurring is always equal to the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. All right, so it's the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. A favorable outcome would obviously be this event occurring, and the total number of outcomes can be found by the sample space. If you don't know what sample space is, I encourage you to watch the video on identifying sample space that was previously found on Monday's lessons. This is always expressed as a ratio, therefore it's a decimal, and then that decimal can be presented as a percentage. It's a fraction, a decimal, and a percentage all in one. Let's make this pretty easy. Let's say we take the word mathematics. And let's say each letter from mathematics is put on an index card and put into a bag and shooken up. And then you randomly pull out one card. What's the probability that that card is a vowel? Well, what would be a favorable outcome for a vowel? A would be a favorable outcome, that's 1. E would be a favorable outcome, that's 2. A would be a favorable outcome, that's 3. And I would be a favorable outcome, that's 4. So there are 4 vowel cards out of how many total cards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So our probability would be 4/11ths, which could then be expressed as a decimal and also as a percentage. The vowels are favorable events and the consonants are unfavorable events because we're asking for the probability of pulling out a vowel.